Want to start earning online but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. First up is app development. With the rise of smartphones, there's a growing demand for app developers who can create functional and user-friendly apps. If you're tech savvy and love problem solving, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning programming languages like Swift for iOS or Kotlin for Android. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per app depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating user-friendly designs and optimizing for performance. You can find work on platforms like TopTal or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative career. Next is SEO optimization. Businesses need their websites to rank higher on search engines, and that's where you come in. As an SEO specialist, you'll optimize content, keywords, and website structures to boost visibility. Start by learning the basics of SEO tools like Google Analytics and SEMrush. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per project, depending on the scope. To get started, offer your services to small businesses or bloggers. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent results, this skill can turn into a high-paying niche. Third is print-on-demand design. If you're creative and love designing, you can create custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without holding inventory. Start by learning tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator. Many designers earn $10 to $50 per sale, depending on the platform and product. To stand out, focus on trending niches and unique designs. Use platforms like Printful or Teespring to sell your creations. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Fourth is online surveys. Companies need feedback from consumers to improve their products and services, and that's where you come in. As an online survey taker, you'll provide valuable insights by participating in surveys. Start by signing up on platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research. Many survey takers earn $50 to $500 per month, depending on the number of surveys completed. To stand out, focus on providing thoughtful and detailed responses. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a flexible and rewarding side hustle. Finally, let's talk about writing. From blogs to social media posts, businesses need high-quality content to engage their audience. If you enjoy writing, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of SEO and content marketing. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per article, depending on the length and complexity. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a high-paying career. And there you have it, 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose app development, SEO optimization, print-on-demand design, online surveys, or writing, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.